Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and in tonight's free video I wanted to recap some ideas we've been sharing with you in the precious metals markets because I think they continue to be one of the best places to find diversification from equities. You can see the spiders today down better than 2%, and I would say that the path of these is questionable at best. You know, if the emergency Fed meeting does not find us some type of support down in this area, and these lows become threatened, well, then this downside could become exaggerated very quickly. So that's one potential path, and inside that, you could either try to play it through the SPY puts, or you could focus on GLD to the long side. This finally started to show up today, and it's inside a pattern that we've been studying and commenting on for a while. It's really a good one to add to your swing trading toolbox. And it begins with the monthly chart. So we're not quite halfway through the month of February, but you can see this momentum of the monthly squeeze is beginning to shift. And the idea is that the squeeze is showing us moments of compression. And when that compression and consolidation is finally ready to resolve, well, it will do so in the direction of the trend that led us into the compression. So if some type of pattern like that is about to unfold, this is the heads up that we may be getting close. So off of the monthly chart, that perspective is worth keeping in mind. Also note a few things off of the daily chart, because gold can be so good at kind of head fakes. And that's really what you saw right here, because it was a similar advance, pretty strong day, but you ended up failing where we saw these previously abandoned buyers, right? Looking at this through the ETF creates a very gappy nature to the chart. We can help you identify those spots that provided, very sharp pullback. Okay, from that move, you were able to be picked up and now gone on to repair all of that movement on the best volume you've seen all year long. So I believe that bodes well for the overall pattern. I think that's, going to help move gold. For the ETF, I've got the extensions at 177 and 181 for your most immediate movement. And one other thing that I thought I might just give you for your consideration is picking up things like certified gold coins. I find this to be helpful because it gets it out of your options account, out of your primary brokerage. So you're not always looking at it with the fluctuations that gold can provide. And then if you want to be more active with that brokerage account and then focus on position trading, something like gold, then I believe this is a good way to do it. So those are the levels I'll be watching. It's one of the best assets out there right now, in my humble opinion, and I hope it helps you over the next couple of years. Y'all have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.